In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine images in GIMP. By the end, you'll know how to stack two pictures, position and resize them so they fit just right, merge them into a single image, and save your work with confidence. Have your two images ready and GIMP open, and let's get started. First, open your base image. Go to the File menu, choose Open, select the first image you want as your background, and click Open. This sets the canvas and resolution for your project, so pick the image you want everything else to sit on. Next, add your second image as a new layer. Go back to File and choose Open as Layers, then select the second image and click Open. You'll see it appear in the Layers panel as a separate layer above your background. This is the core idea in GIMP. Images are combined by stacking layers, so you can move and transform one without affecting the other until you're ready to finalize. Now position the second image. Activate the Move tool. Either click the Move icon in the toolbox or press the M key. Make sure the correct layer is selected in the Layers panel, then click and drag the image to where you want it. If it doesn't move, double-check that you clicked the content itself and that the right layer is active. If the second image is too big or too small, resize it with the Scale tool. Press Shift+S to switch tools, then click on the image you want to scale. Handles appear around it. Drag them to adjust the size. For proportional scaling, keep the aspect ratio locked so the image doesn't stretch oddly. When you're happy, click Scale to apply the change. Take a moment to arrange your layers. Open the Layers panel if it isn't visible, then drag layers up or down to change their order. The top layer appears in front, the bottom layer sits behind. This is useful if you want one image to partially overlap the other before you commit to the final result. When everything looks right, merge the images. Right-click the top layer in the Layers panel. Choose Merge Visible Layers, and confirm by clicking Merge. This flattens the composition so your two layers become one unified image. Finally, save your image. Saving preserves your work, and since you've just merged the layers, what you see is what gets saved. If you plan to keep editing later, consider saving a version with layers before merging. Otherwise, you're all set. Your combined image is complete.